great orb of power, keeper of the greatest good and worst evil, stay with me, the Emperor of Norland Chu, for all eternity. But I must beware of the evil Jade Fu.
I must get the orb of power so I can rule the world.
Hey, why do you always be blue? I don't like it when you're blue.
I won't be blue. Silence, my evil minions. Get over here. Say your name.
Goo Goo Gapan! Marshall! Szechuan!
We must get the orb of power so I can rule the world.
Yay! Disneyland!
I will never get the orb with either three dorks like you, but I know what to do. Ha ha! Now, enter the ancient temple of transformation.
Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever you say now. Get in.
Now, my three evil minions, go get me the orb of power.
The orb of power is gone. I must summon the greatest of all ninjas to return the orb. Go and return the orb of power to me.
Yes, good Emperor.
We have got the orb of power. We are the powerfulest man. It's Crouching Tiger, Burping Baby!
Get him!
I must find the vile and evil Jade Foob and return the orb of power to the good Emperor.
Looking for this?
Oh no, it's Jade Foob. Go back to the underworld where you belong, Jade Foob!
Thank you, Crouching Tiger, Burping Baby. You have saved the world.
Yeah!